So you do have options at this point. You can either adopt the model plan, the template industry plan that applies to you, or the general plan if there's not an industry specific plan. Or you can pursue using an alternate plan. The catch with trying to use an alternative to the templates is that the statute itself requires that in order to do that, if you have a union, you have to reach agreement with the union on the alternate plan. Or if you're non-union, you still can only implement an alternative plan with, quote, meaningful participation of employees. Clearly, employees here is not intended to mean supervisory employees, or at least not limited to supervisory employees. What meaningful participation of employees is anyone's guess at this point. We do know the HERO Act included not only these requirements, but the Workplace Safety Committee idea. So when that goes into effect, presumably your Workplace Safety Committee could get involved, and that may constitute meaningful participation of employees. But really, this whole concept of using an alternative plan is something that it would be nice for the Department of Labor to address with further guidance or regulations. And so far, they have not commented on that. So whether you can get the union to agree to an alternative plan by August 5th is a fair question. Whether you can figure out whether you've had meaningful participation of employees in the non-union context is a question. And, you know, all of those factors kind of push toward using the model plan if you possibly can. Again, there might be reasons not to, but certainly weighs in that direction as nothing else an administrative convenience. The law also says that any alternative plan must be tailored and specific to hazards in the specific industry and work sites of the employer. It's fair enough to say that for the most part, even the industry-specific template plans from the Department of Labor are not very well tailored and specific to hazards in the specific industry and work sites of the employer, or at least they're very generally tailored rather than carefully tailored. So you may be imposing a higher bar on your plan by trying to use an alternate to the model plan templates.